guys, welcome back to the course. In this video, I am going to tell you how you can make your LinkedIn profile an all-star. In previous video, I told you that how you can do it. Now let's do it practically. So first thing first, you need to make sure that you have a clear headline. Okay, this is the headline you should have, and your headline should be very specific. Your headline should also tell people that what you do, why do you do, and how you can help them. Even if you are looking for a job, you can write something that is very relevant. Even if you are a freelancer or maybe a business owner, you can write the right information that would be really beneficial and much required for your target audience. Now coming to the profile summary, that is also very important. You need to make sure that you are actually writing a profile summary, at least 200 or 300 words. When you put your headline, after headline you need to have a summary wherein it tells in detail what you exactly do. Okay, because in headline you have limit of some words, right? So in summary section you can write it entirely, you can write it very carefully, very nicely. You can also go to my LinkedIn profile to check out how long I have written it and how beautiful it is, right? Moving ahead, for the next portion is location and profession. Here is what I have mentioned is my location, Delhi, and you can mention whatever location you are coming from. You also need to make sure that you are adding at least 5 skills. So you would feel like Shraddha, 5 skills. You must be having more than 20 skills, guys. So think what all you do, what is your niche. You need to make sure that you are actually writing those skills only which are very relevant to your current job and to your target audience as well. Because skills are something that will help you to optimize your profile pretty well. So make sure that you add all the skills that are very relevant. Okay. Now go to the profile picture. You can see my profile picture right here. See how cool it is. It has a very blur background behind it, so nothing is actually going to downgrade my first impression. So my impression would be really good because I have very nice profile picture. So you need to notice one thing right now. In this background you see this, even this background is not good for a profile picture for LinkedIn. Why? Because it has a lining. If you can blur this, then this will look good. All right, coming back to the same thing, you also need to have some education and projects as well. So let's move ahead. What exactly you're gonna do, how you're gonna do, and this is the right structure. Now you need to see this as I also told you in the walkthrough, but I'm repeating it here again so that you don't forget it. That this is your headshot. Make sure this is the different picture. But again, in this picture as well, I am having a background blur. So this is simple to understand that you must have a clear background. You also need to add some cover picture. Now I want to tell you one thing why I have added this picture, to make sure that you don't repeat the mistake that I have already done. So what I did, I wrote something behind this. Now here is my profile picture, here is my cover picture. What happens is, if you look here, you can't read my cover picture properly. So what you need to do is, whatever you write, you should keep it in this side. This is the right side of the screen. You need to put all the content and text right here and design to be there, so that if design is hidden, it's okay. But if you are promoting something, that should be very clear and easy to read for the other person. Okay, now this is the pronunciation sections. This is the name, so no need to tell this. Pronunciation section is a feature that can be available for mobile phones only. So make sure that you add your name. You pitch right there like, hi, I'm Shraddha Srivastav. So mostly people do what? They pronounce my wrong very wrong. They pronounce my name very wrong. So that's why I have used this feature. I love this feature. It has plenty of amazing features. I love this. Now this is the headline. What I have done is I have targeted